10 British foods that are cheap, filling, and still loved. British cooking has always been shaped by practicality, comfort, and meals that could stretch a tight budget while still tasting wonderful. Families across the UK relied on simple dishes that warmed cold evenings and brought everyone to the table without fuss. These are the foods people still search for today, the classics that never fade. And right in the middle of that story sits 10 British foods that are cheap, filling, and still loved. A reminder of how ordinary ingredients became timeless favourites passed through generations. 10. Beans on toast. It's impossible to talk about affordable British meals without starting here. Beans on toast feels almost like a national icon. 2 slices of toast, a warm heap of baked beans, and instant satisfaction. Part of its charm is how quickly it comes together. Bread in the toaster, beans on the hob, and dinner is ready before the kettle boils. Generations of students relied on it during university days, and families used it as a fast solution on busy school nights. It's also considered one of the most searched inexpensive UK dishes because people know it never fails. Add grated cheese, chilli flakes, Worcestershire sauce, or leave it plain. No matter how you approach it, beans on toast remains one of the simplest, warmest British comfort foods ever created. 9. Jacket potato. Few foods feel as wholesome and homely as a jacket potato. When baked slowly, the skin turns crisp while the inside becomes cloud-like and fluffy. And that is where the magic begins. A jacket potato can carry almost anything: cheese and beans, tuna mayo, coleslaw, leftover stew, or simply butter melting into the soft centre. Historically, street vendors sold them during winter, making them an affordable way for workers to stay warm and full. Today, cafes and market stalls still rely on them because they're inexpensive to prepare and universally loved. People continue to search for jacket potato recipes because they are comforting, nostalgic, and incredibly budget-friendly. Everything that defines cheap British cooking at its best. 8. Corned beef hash. This dish represents resourceful British cooking more than almost any other. Using tinned corned beef, potatoes, and onions, families were able to create something filling, flavourful, and deeply satisfying without spending much at all. When fried gently, the potatoes crisp beautifully while the beef softens into the mixture, creating a texture that feels rustic and hearty. Corned beef hash rose to popularity during times when frugality mattered, but its charm outlived those periods because it simply tastes good. Many people still look for corned beef hash recipes online because it offers that cosy, nostalgic comfort so closely tied to British home cooking. Whether served with a fried egg, brown sauce, or simply on its own, it remains a reliable, affordable favourite. 7. Budget shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie is one of the greatest British comfort meals ever made, but many households adapted it into a cheaper version using beef or tinned mince instead of lamb. The result was still wonderful: savoury mince cooked with carrots, onions, peas, and gravy, topped with a thick layer of mashed potatoes. When baked, the top becomes golden, while the inside remains rich and warming. It's the kind of dish that can feed a whole family for very little money, making it a treasured part of British weekly menus. As searches for affordable UK meals increase, budget shepherd's pie continues appearing because people love meals that stretch their ingredients and still deliver a satisfying, homely flavour. It remains proof that simplicity often beats sophistication when it comes to comfort. 6. Toad in the hole. Toad in the hole is one of those meals that sounds quirky but tastes like pure British comfort. Sausages baked into Yorkshire pudding batter create a dish that rises dramatically in the oven before sinking into a golden, fluffy, and slightly crispy masterpiece. Served with gravy and vegetables, it becomes a full dinner without a complicated list of ingredients. Families embraced it because flour, eggs, milk, and sausages were all inexpensive, and the result could stretch to feed everyone around the table. People still search for toad in the hole, not just because it's cheap, but because it carries the nostalgia of Sunday dinners, family kitchens, and the unmistakable scent of Yorkshire batter cooking in a hot oven. It remains an affectionate symbol of warm British meals made with love and frugality. 5. Liver and onions. While tastes have evolved, liver and onions remains one of the most iconic traditional British meals. For decades, it was served in homes across the country because it was nutrient-dense, inexpensive, and filling. When cooked gently with onions and served with mashed potatoes and gravy, it becomes a hearty, comforting dish that many still feel nostalgic about. Though it may not appear on as many modern menus, people continue searching for recipes because it represents a style of British cooking built on practicality and respect for ingredients. It's a reminder of when families used every part of what they bought and created meals with strong flavours and memorable textures. Affordable, historic, and deeply rooted in the culture, liver and onions deserves its place on this list. 4. Bubble and squeak. Bubble and squeak is perhaps the purest form of frugal British cooking. It makes use of leftovers, usually potatoes, cabbage, sprouts, or carrots, by combining and frying them until the mixture becomes golden and crisp. Families loved it because it allowed them to stretch a Sunday roast into Monday breakfast or lunch. The sound it made while frying gave it its charming name, adding personality to its practicality. Even today, bubble and squeak is popular in both homes and cafes because it embodies the spirit of not wasting food. Searches for leftover recipes often lead straight to this dish. It's a simple reminder that great flavour doesn't require a long ingredient list, just a hot pan, a bit of oil, and yesterday's vegetables brought back to life. 3. The classic cheese sandwich. Few meals have stood the test of time quite like the cheese sandwich. It's modest, dependable, and loved across the UK. Bread, butter, and cheddar create a combination that's quick, cheap, and satisfying. Workers carried it in lunch bags, school children found it tucked into lunchboxes, and countless people still make it today because it's easy and comforting. It can be upgraded with pickle, tomatoes, onions, or crisps, but it doesn't need anything extra to deliver joy. That's why it continues to appear in searches for cheap British lunches and everyday UK meals. The cheese sandwich isn't trying to impress. It's just trying to feed you well, and it succeeds every time. 2. Porridge. Porridge is one of the oldest and most enduring British breakfast traditions. Oats are incredibly cheap, and when cooked with water or milk, they transform into something warm, creamy, and surprisingly versatile. Before long workdays or cold mornings, porridge provided the energy people needed without costing more than pennies. Today, its popularity continues because it fits modern needs just as well as historical ones. Healthy, filling, customizable, and budget-friendly. People love adding honey, fruit, jam, cinnamon, or keeping it true to its roots with just a pinch of salt. Searches for traditional British breakfasts almost always highlight porridge because it represents the best qualities of British comfort food: simple, honest, and timeless. 1. The fish finger sandwich. Taking the number one spot is the unbeatable fish finger sandwich, a food that manages to be cheap, comforting, nostalgic, and universally loved. Crispy fish fingers, soft bread, and a spread of ketchup or tartar sauce combine into a meal that feels like childhood in the best way. Generations grew up eating it after school, and many adults still secretly enjoy it just as much today. It's fast, affordable, and satisfying. Everything a comfort food should be. Searches for nostalgic British meals consistently show a surge in interest for this classic because it embodies what 10 British foods that are cheap, filling, and still loved stands for. Simple ingredients, warm memories, and a flavour that refuses to fade. It deserves its place at number 1, not because it's elaborate, but because it's loved. Truly, deeply loved. In the end, 10 British foods that are cheap, filling, and still loved reminds us that comfort often comes from the simplest dishes. These meals endure because they are affordable, warming, and rooted in everyday life. They prove that great food doesn't need grand ingredients, just familiarity, flavour, and memories shared across generations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.